Hey guys, hope everyone's doing good, huh? So welcome back to the Wednesday sessions, guys. All right. So welcome, guys. Welcome. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm quickly sending a link, the live stream link to the group as well. Okay, those who are in the group, okay, they can check me early. All right. So if you have not joined the group, you can join it. There is a link in the description box. You can join over there. All right, guys, so that you don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. Okay. So yeah, we can see there is a big pump on a Bitcoin tonight, today, right, guys? So some may have made some dollars, some may have made some losses, right? So don't worry, all right, guys. Everything happens for the good, all right? So if you are getting some knowledge from there, that is more than enough, guys. All right, it's not only about the profit and losses. All right, guys. So for me, like I have been tracing this chart from this level. Okay, I opened my long position and I went all the way upper side, tracing almost more than 1.5 percentage on the upper side. That was traced, and good profit was there for my VIP peoples. All right, those who have joined my VIP. All right. So over here, guys, let's go back. Okay. So let's go back to the 4 hours time frame. All right, guys. So if you were there on my VIP, I mean like general group, all right, you must have already got a huge information from the previous week only. That was a Wednesday 29th. I have given one video for you all whereby the price is moving on upper side. From where it is moving, I also don't know, but the price is going for the 82 to $83,000 exactly. 1 week it took to go from this level to this level. All right, guys, that was 1 week, 7 days. All right, 7 days. So it took almost 7 days to go from this level to another level. All right, which was fulfilled, guys. Those who are in my group, you might have seen that one, but aggressively because of their one gap left. Okay, we have been planning short from the middle as well for the scalpers. Okay, those who have a long holding trade, that was a very good move. That was almost 10% on upper side alone. Okay, guys. Okay, so let's go back. Let's get back now on our daily time frame. Firstly, let's try to check on the daily time frame. Do you want me to check on daily time frame, guys? So this is Bitcoin, guys, daily time frame. Hi, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Hi. Let me check my mic. Okay, is it audible or not? Just a second. Hi, guys. Hope everyone's doing good. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Yep. All right, guys. So that was a very big bull on upper side. Okay, but did the Bitcoin went to the bull side yet? So what do you say, guys? So is the Bitcoin going for all the way towards the upper side or not? So let's see, guys. Okay. So yep, it have already broken out from the trend. All right. So trend was broken out. The recent resistance was broken out, right? This was the resistance. It have broken out on upper side. Okay. So one test, so second test, third test. One more test is left from the downside, but you will get the opportunities. Those who are. Hey, Rachel. Hi. Hey, Rachel. How are you? Did you make some profits today? Did you make some profits? Okay, so it moved up on the upper side. Okay, so I have been explaining to the people when it gets breakout on upper side 1, 2, 3 times. So one more times it have to do, but we never know from where it is coming down. Maybe from the upper side or directly from here. Okay, I'll give one video for you all on the group as well. All right, those who are in my group, those who have not access to, don't have access to my group, uh, you just keep joining my group. All right, so you get the access informations, right, guys? Okay, so this can be one move. From where it is moving, I don't know. Maybe that can be from this level, from a little bit upper level. Okay, maybe a little bit upper level. All right, but we need to come back once more below this level, and after that passing, it will be a beautiful long, which is going to be very forever bull for you all. Okay, right now it is not confirmed whether it is bull or not. What do you think, guys? Is it a bull now, or is it Is it just a hype that's happening over here with the pressures from the political and all those things, right, guys? What do you think, guys? All right. So I have been explaining to you all as well. All right. So, okay, in this level maybe, right? So let me ignore one move. All right. So yeah. So I was checking on these levels, all right, from yesterday only. If we happen to go up and close above these levels, all right, this trend, then we are continuously going for the bulls on upper side. Okay, guys? So continuous bull, all right. But it needs to close above this trend. It needs to get above this one. Okay, it needs to close above. Okay, we need to get close above this trend, then we are permanently going for the bull side. Okay, guys, then nothing can be done. All right, forget about all those who come back and pull back and do their one more story test. Okay, but in fact, if it happens to, but we never knows from where it is coming, but in fact, if it happens to come down and go upper side, that can be retest pass, means that can be a very good move on a long side, guys. That is going to give you all a total bulls, right, guys? Nothing financial advice, but that is going to be giving you forever until and unless this is not breaking the trend. It is going to move up. That might be tracing you all the upper side as well. This is what I think, guys. Okay, what you think? Okay, so we have been getting lots of retest, okay, whereby it is similar like a sideways and retest happening right now. The Bitcoin have not gone for the bull yet for me, all right, or maybe for others it might have gone for the bulls, but for me, not yet. Okay. So going back into this trend once more, this yellow trend that I have. All right. So this yellow trend, if it goes back to this trend, then I'll think that settles above this trend. Then I'm thinking that good bulls. All right. Okay, so this is the level whereby the Bitcoin needs to come back and test once more. Okay, from where it is coming, I also don't know. Maybe a little bit upper side, maybe from here only, maybe go from here only. All right, but I never look, I never, I continuously keep my eyes on the market, okay, to check where it is coming from, down from. All right, so this is one level whereby Bitcoin have made one trend, retest trend. All right. So from this trend also, it broke out on this trend, and second trend it tries to forming it is forming a second trend. All right, which is this one. All right. This has a one trend. Okay. So whereby the Bitcoin is playing inside this retest trend from the long time back. So I have been giving you all the information also on the previous cycles. All right. Previous cycle, it had a long play on the retest phase and it run out to via bull cycles, right? So from here, it played a long for the retest zone in this level, guys. Okay, played very long in the retest zone and finally it went all the way upper side and created a big bulls on upper side. Okay, so that can be also possible, guys. Okay, we can never say that is a zero on the Bitcoin is like anytime anything can happen, just be ready. Okay, whichever side it gives. All right, so I was aggressively looking for the short position because once we have to come down on this levels, all right, going back to the zone, then again I'll start planning for the longs. All right, guys. So for the scalpers, it might be you might be getting long from here or lots of things, right, guys? Okay, let's get back to the 15 minutes time frame and check it out what's happening, right, guys? Okay, so firstly, should we check on the 4 hours time frame? 4 hours time frame, yes. All right. So what you think over here, 4 hours time frame? Firstly, it broke out. Again, retest. Okay, one, two, three. Third retest, it broke out on upper side. Okay, so this was the level whereby the Bitcoin went for the bullish, right? And for the downside moves, all right. Now Bitcoin needs to fall for a confident move. Okay, so for a confident move, 1 2 3. All right, let me draw the smaller one. Okay. Let's check, guys. Okay, nothing is there. No, we don't lose anything when we check it, right, guys? All right, so it have broken out from those levels as well, so aggressively it is planning on upper side right now. Okay, but we make sure that we remain above this block on upper side on the 4 hours or 1 day time frame. Okay, so this is the level whereby I'm checking out. All right. Hey, nothing financial advice, but guys, those who are interested, okay, you'll get lots of information from this, whatever I'm explaining right now. Okay, it is coming down. I had one long position from this level, guys. Okay, I opened long position from this level on my VIP. All right, I happen to close on this level. All right, whenever it hits $82,460, something else. All right. So I closed this position. All right, already. And what I did is from the top, right now I'm holding one position from $82,574, this one, with the stop loss on this stop loss. My entry was over here. All right, this, if you guys are in my VIP, you will get it what I have done. All right, my stop loss is around $83,000 and I'm holding on the downside for now. Okay, meanwhile, if we get in small scalping, we keep doing in this levels. All right, that is my long holding trade, so I invested a small amount. Okay, I keep holding with my stop losses how far it moves down. All right, so that is my plan for now. Okay, but if it happens to go back and remain above, all right, that's going to be very big bulls on upper side. We make sure that this trade is not failed. If it fails, then market is going to be forever bulls. All right. Recently, we have been talking about this one. Okay, so people have been telling me why I'm looking so aggressively for the shots when the price was going for the all bulls. All right, so until and unless it's not getting out on the trends, right? So that trend above the trend. All right, so we checked on a 4 hours time frame, right, guys? So getting closed on this level on upper side. Okay, let's see if it closes or not today. All right, you'll see live only. All right, if it happens to close above, neglecting my uh, bashing my stop loss on upper side, keeps upper side. If it happens to keep an upper side, then we will get lots of opportunity on the long. That's going to be an upper side, right, guys? Okay, so that's the thing, guys. For the scalping, maybe mid-term holding, I'm planning for the shots on those levels. All right, right now, let's see, guys. Okay, let's go back to the 5 minutes time frame and try to check it out. All right, if you get a second entry. All right, this is my first entry. So second entry again, it is trying to give you all on the bull side for the short time frame. Okay, which is on 5 minutes time frame. Let's see if it breaks out on upper side or not. All right, guys. So most probably you might like to get one. So this, let me keep this one as a small one because this makes no sense for you all. All right. So let me delete this one, guys, on a Bitcoin. Okay. Hi, guys. Hello, Manoj. How are you, Manoj? Manoj, welcome back, Manoj. How are you? All right. It broke down from this level. Where is it? Yep. It broke down on a 5 minutes time frame from this level. Maybe the price like to play in the zone once more. All right, just like yesterday. All right, maybe it like to play a bit. Okay, then again, third time it drops, you will get a good move on upper side, downside. Okay, so maybe that can be one process. All right, for the shots. All right, but if it happens to close above, then it is going for the long side again. All right, when it goes for the long side, especially if it happens to close for breaks above this level, it is going for the long side, which means again we are getting back on the trend. All right, so getting back on the trend, you might like to get a long side. All right, on upper side. Okay, so getting back on the trend. All right, if it happens to get rejection from this level, again you might like to receive a big downside moves. All right, this is what I think. All right, so for the long holders, this can be a peak. Those who are holding for a week, okay, till the next Wednesday, you might the price might like to see for the downside moves. Maybe you might like to receive a downside move. Okay, till next Wednesday. Okay, that's possible. All right. So this is what I think right now. Okay, guys, let's see anyways what happens. All right, nothing is confirmed. All right, but it have broken down on a 1 minute time frame with the 1 minute time frame. All right, so I was checking on this levels. All right, so it broke down and it confirms my downside move. All right, but I happened to open shots on this levels only with my TP on upper side. Okay, no problem. Anyways, okay, that is a good move. So if it happens to break out from here, this level, you might like to see one good move on upper side as well. Okay, your TP will be this one only. All right. Otherwise, you might like to receive all the way if you happen to check on 1 minute scalpings. All right, small scalpings. So from here, the price will be most probably moving on a downside only. Okay, downside boom again. All right, my TP2 hit. Okay, so this is what you can expect. But if it happens to go above this level, then temporarily till this level, you might like to receive one scalping on upper side. Okay, so maybe from here, if it happens to break out, right? So a small scalping can be traced in this levels, right? Okay, if it happens to break out, all right. If it doesn't breaks, then it keeps playing on a downside for now. All right. If it doesn't breaks, it will go up. You might like to get fake out over here also. Okay. You might get faked out over here as well. Just be careful, guys. All right. So let's see. Okay, guys. I try to trace for my VIP people all the top. All right. But never knows. Okay, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome. Okay, that was a very huge move on upper side. Those who have already came over here and listened to me, you might have known like what the Bitcoin is doing, right, guys? Right now, still inside the retest phase only. If it happens to close above, then only you might like to receive a very big pump. Real bulls, all right. Don't get faked out, all right. Till over here, we are still in the retest phase. All those moves, direct moves, are not nothing. All right, guys, nothing. The market is just planning to remove all the shorts those who have from this levels, right, guys, right now. And if the market happens to close below this one, come on, market is going to dump again. All right. So anyways, let's see, guys. Okay. So people people have started imagining for the bulls, all right. But closing above, breaching this my stop loss and closing above on the upper side can be a good bulls, right? Yes. Okay. That can be one. Let's see, it is breaking out on upper side on a small time frame, 5 minutes and 1 minute. For a short time term, it might like to throw the price in a little bit upper side. Okay, so let it break out from this level on upper side. If it breaks out, you might like to receive on upper side, little bit upper side. Okay, till from here or here. All right, then don't get faked out. Usually this third level of drop usually fakes you out a lot. All right, forming a W pattern over here, it just tries to this wing will be formed and it just tries to dump. Okay, just be careful, guys. Okay, guys. So most probably again passing above and coming down can be one good shots for us again once more. All right, one shot scalping on a downside. All right, guys, this can be imagined. All right, this can be taken on a downside move. Okay, so let's see what it does. All right, guys, we will wait for a while. All right, what it does in these levels. Okay, so most probably it should be getting a rejection from the top. Firstly, breakout, give the breakout on the upper side and just drop it below. All right, that can be one expected move on these levels. All right, guys. Okay, nothing much to worry. Okay, guys, just be calm la, chill la. So this is what we can expect, guys. So I think this can be a very top. All right, this level, this right now be 82,839 can be a very top. All right. You know what I mean. All right. I try to trace the very bottom and I try to trace the very top. All right. Nothing financial advice. Don't take it as a financial advice though. What the fuck? Hey, fall sake. Hey, what is that? Okay, all right, guys. Okay, those who are watching me for the first time, it will drop all the way towards the downside again once more. All right. Okay, guys. Maybe it can get create one W pattern over here. Don't get confused with that one, guys. All right. Don't get confused with that one. One W pattern can be seen in these levels. All right. You might like to see. Okay, nothing financial advice, guys. Don't take it as a financial advice, just for the education purpose only. All right, guys. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. All right, guys. Okay, guys, nothing financial advice. Huh? Don't get breached and okay. So the setup is all for the shorts only right now. There is no long setups right now. Okay, one small long side about to give in this level, but it couldn't give it, right, guys? Couldn't. All right. Just wait, guys. If you are taking scalping, don't rush now, guys. You'll get another opportunity. You'll get another opportunity. Okay. فلا نشاء فلا هو W pattern forming in this level, guys. Okay, small but W pattern, let it form fully. Okay. If I get a scalping, then I'll let you know, guys. Nothing financial advice, but okay, don't get faked out with this one. Going back on upper side, coming down can give you all a good shot. All right. This W pattern, it will go up again. Okay, guys. And once more, it will go up and drop down again. Then we will go for a small retest on upper side. Then again fall back. All those things will happen, guys. Okay, hope that was useful for you all. Gold, guys, gold, those who are gold lovers. Okay, very huge pump. I have been telling you all from yesterday, day before yesterday only, right? For gold, if it was happening to break above this level, we must buy it, buy it, buy it. All right. The target was over here, right? I was explaining you all again and again. If you guys were there on my live, okay, for the gold, there was only buy opportunity, all right, buy opportunity, buy opportunity, all right. So we price came down yesterday. It was around the zone, right? And I asked people, okay, so if there isn't, let me see where I did analysis or I deleted it. That was on this one only. I think it was deleted. Okay, no problem. For gold, now Now it needs to clear above this one. All right, let's see if it happens to clear off or not. All right, gold also need to clear above these levels. All right, this it have broken out. Let's see if it clears off with the retest or not. Goes up again, does the retest again. All right, if it clears on the third one again, that will be a buy opportunity on the upper side for the gold. All right, okay. But if it happens to get rejection, you might like to dump all the way towards the downside. All right, on the gold. So if you happen to see gold have broken down from the recent support it had. All right, it broke down from the recent support it had. It broke down, right, and it is yet to retest it. So maybe later on, after going up, if the gold happens to come below, that is going to be a good shot for you all. Again, for the short term only, guys. Short term. If it happens after the third moves, 1, 2, 3. All right, it will come again down, move up and down, right, and third moves. If it happens to give you all a downside, break below, then you can target at least this levels. Where is it? There is no good structures, right? It will go up again. All right, but rather if it happens to continuously move up on upper side from this level, it is going to be a bullish on the upper side. Okay, but if it happens to you wait for the shots, you just need to wait over here. If it as soon as it comes back on the third moves, we just short it and go down. That's all, simple. All right, yep. Otherwise for the bullish, keeps moving on upper side. Okay, if it clears out for $4,725 and moves up, then that can be bullish. The next level of the gold, there are lots of liquidation left on a gold on upper side, guys. All right, this levels will be your TPs, guys. Okay, loss of level on upper side, that can be expected, guys. According to the structure that it forms, then you need to plan accordingly to the gold. All right, let's get back to the BT coming down directly without formation of W. All right, which means the BT is going to move up a little bit on a short time frame. For a short time frame, it is going to move up a little bit from this level or from mid levels. All right. Okay, that's the things happening in a guys on the Bitcoin and gold. All right, be careful. All right, guys. So most probably you might like to get another opportunity for the shots from the top. Right, that can be expected, guys. All right, nothing financial advice, but make your own research. All right, before you move in or move out. All right, guys. That is lovely for me. So far, so good. GP2 was my 81,780. 780 around this levels, right? Let it go up. Let's clear it off. Let's see, guys. Let's see what happens in this level. Okay, guys, we have reason why we are looking for shots and why we are looking for a long. So what about you? What reason do you have? Does it because of your friends are buying or selling? Is it because of your strategy says that one, or is it because it feels like it? All right. So always you have your own reason, guys, strong reason why you are doing these things. Okay. Okay. So for me, I opened my shot from this level because it was already taking a liquidation from the top. All right. For me, it was easy. Hey, Luckily, how are you? Luckily, good to see you over there. Luckily, are you making profits? Holding very long, guys. You made a very good profits today, Luckily. I hope you have made a good profit today. All right. Not second chance was not given yet. All right. So this can be a very top for the sailors, guys. This is still a top for the sailors, I feel. Nothing financial advice, but we are still at the top. All right. Bullish needs to book some profits. Nothing financial advice though. Okay, guys. Bullish needs to book profits. Made profits, Draven. Always grinding it. Draven always grinding it. Make so guys always have a reason, guys, why you are shorting or why you are longing it, right, guys? Okay. So if you have a reason, good reason, then you're fine. If you don't have a reason, you're just blindly shorting or longing it, it's not. For me, I have a reason why I'm doing short. I have a long side why I'm doing a long side. Okay, I was doing a long side from here just to take the liquidation from the upper side. We need to remove the people who have short from this level, which was creating a little bit sideways move. So I thought of longing from here, and it gave a breakout on upper side as well, which was confident for me. All right. So I did a long from this levels. Again, short from this levels. So you are at the top if you are shorting, planning for the shorts. Okay, guys, you are at the very top. You might like to get another opportunity as well. All right. Superb. It's paying off. Yes. Dawood Khan. Hi, brothers. Welcome, guys. Welcome. It will pay off, guys. All right. For the information for 81, 82, $82,000 was also given in my VIP, the public group on my Telegram long time back, but few people have checked, few people didn't check it. All right. It was already given on my VIP and my public group. All right. So, my TP2 is 81,780, 100 pips to down. All right. Fall it, fall it, fall it all the way towards downside, guys. Let's see if you get another opportunity for the shots. All right. If it happens to go move a little bit upper side, you might like to get another opportunity. But you are at the top, guys. We are shorting at the 5 minutes time frame. Now 4 hours time frame, everything will be short. Okay, because last time it have give a broken down on a downside. Always it have done a downside broke out, but on a third move it have always just not respected it. Okay, over here also if you have been checking it over here as well. Okay, over here also the first breakout was given and the retest it always failed to come down. Okay, it was all the liquidity taking an upper side. People are confused for the bulls and the liquidity get know that one better, guys. All right. Liquidity and the bulls and the real bears what it is, right, guys? If you get opportunity from the top, you might like to go for the shots, but nothing financial advice, guys. All right, this is only for the education purpose only, okay, guys? Okay. This I had planned from this morning only from this level to short it. But to go up there, I did a long and I went on the upper side. Let's go. Luckily now your turn to grind again on the short side, okay? Luckily you did a short or like you're still holding on the long, luckily. Luckily you did it on a short or still holding on the longs. You might like to get another opportunity. All right, guys. Don't get into run into FOMO. All right, guys. My plans for the short is so crazy, guys. So crazy right now. One, two, three. Okay. Short. Okay. Good, luckily, good. Luckily, I have become very smart after reading what is it? The Wheelum. You suggested me one book, right? The Wheelum, right? You read it? Luckily, you read it already, or is it like and still holding? Okay, you're good. So, but if the market happens to breach above this stop loss that I have, and if it happens to remain above, close above, then the real bulls is coming in. I explained to you all, those who are watching me, right? Why I'm planning short, why I'm planning long, okay? There is a reason, guys. People might be like, sometimes they blindly long and short, but that's not what I do. I just plan firstly I have plan, then if it breach. If it doesn't breach, I can't take getting beaten up. All right. Luckily got very strong. Huh? At first, luckily, when I first met luckily the Draven Fortress, he was like very over trading, right? Very emotional, so frustrated with the market. Now luckily trades on its own. See, it's really cool to see friends trading a good making a good trades and trying to earn from the market, right, guys? Okay. Never mind, sometimes you get bashed off from market, but just try to be punctual, disciplined, all right? When you get bashed off, try to get a small losses. If you make profits, try to make a good profits, right? No problem. Stop loss and the TPs are the way of life of the traders, all right? But but you have to know all the time. Wow. Good at Dragon Fortress. Good to see you. I don't see designer hub. Where is it? Where is he? Let me explain where I'm targeting it. If the Bitcoin happens to break down below this one, first target will be till this level only. This level at this level, 81,231. If it happens to break down below this one, big crash is coming for the Bitcoin and the downside. Buyers get ready, guys. Big crash. Big crash can be expected. Bears are not over yet. Bears are not yet over. Just don't underestimate the bears. They are not over yet. All right. Let's see if you guys get a second chance. All right. Second chance to entry or small scalpings, maybe. Juliet ने लब से आंखों को तुमसे ही Draven ST at good entry points. Wow. My new plan, I go with a small margin, then I enter with a big margin and go enter with a big margin. Cool. Cool, luckily. Now you know how to play it around, right, guys? You know how to play it around. Luckily, you know how to play it around. On a daily time frame, you don't have any trends over here, guys. Market just need to just think that market just need to one day from which level I don't know, but one day it have to come down and clear this off once more. All right. After that only you'll get a good bullish move or real bulls you can expect from this level. Even if you don't get inside the trend, if it happens to pass this one horizontally, then you might like to think that the bulls, then it is correct bulls. Right now it is like people are pressing because they see small green candles there. They have been pressing randomly without any buying position. They push. Okay. The shorts got squeezed a little bit on the downside. This moves recently. We can see shorts getting pushed, like all those people who have short from this level on a bigger time frame. Also, I told you on a 4 hours time frame, long time back, 1 week before I have given the information in the group. Those who have short in this level is going to be removed 7,900 to 7,900, and price will go for the liquidations on upper side, which is stress test. For me, this is just liquidations, nothing bull moves. Okay. But if it happens to remain above, go back inside the trend, then it is for me the real bull moves. Okay, then I will stop going for the shots. All right, if it happens to close above, remain above this levels, right, then I will think that bulls are there. Okay. So nothing financial advice, guys. Okay, just make your own research before you move in. All right, nothing financial advice. Okay, so for now, temporarily short for the short time frame, I must look for the shots on the downside only. All right, I want to see. I look on high time frame and say if it pulls on run or be a run. What run is it? Borisol, good day, dragon, and good profit today. All right, all right. Borisol, all right. Good day too, bro. All right. Good profits day, right? Let's see if you guys get another opportunities in this level. All right. For now, no opportunity right now for the shots. Let me trace for you all. Okay. If you get any opportunities. Let's get back to the scalping sessions. All right. For a short time frame, you might like to get. Okay, there is one scalping made in this levels for the longs. That can be very small, guys. But overall, I am in a short position right now. Okay, just a second. I'm getting shut down. I'm getting shut down. Where did I left my charger? Oh no. Okay, this level, if it tested, you might like to get good scalping in upper side for short term only. Okay, guys, short term. Small scalping can be trust in this level. If it breaks out on upper side, one small scalping can be traced. Small only, guys, small only. Till this level or this level, all right, 0.3%. If it breaks out, if it never does, It doesn't. Okay. One is scalping only for the those who are don't have a short positions. All right. Those who have short position, you keep holding it, right, guys? Small pullback can be expected on this level. Let's see. From this level to this level, maybe 0.24 percentage. Today, good position on good. I get 10 pairs. Wow. Wow, that's frank pitch. For gold yesterday, if you were there, like I was planning, I in the live, I have given you all that. If it breaks out on upper side, that can be one long position on upper side, right? If you are watching it, okay. But I didn't take gold, okay. I was on BTC only on the long side, only BTC. Quick scalping can be traced on upper side, okay. If it breaks out on upper side, if it doesn't breaks out, that cannot be. Quick scalping till this level or this level 0.23, you should book half profit over here and half profit over here if it gives. All right. It's not getting breakout yet, so no options, no options. For those who think that you have missed the short opportunity, it will come, okay? Don't worry. It will go back once more for the small pullback that time. Maybe that can be from this level, this level. Where is it? Small pullback can be expected. Nothing financial advice, but okay, just for the education purpose only, all right, guys. Did I miss a call from Bay? Let's see, guys. Okay, let's see. Another shot you can expect from the top once it gets to this level. If it goes, if it doesn't goes, sorry, right? It should be going up once more. Matu. Gold price is playing a lot in the zone right now. Luckily, luckily is playing, laughing. You think it's going down today, luckily? Yeah, I think it should be going down. It should be going down, that, but not financial advice. But before it goes down, it should be getting one retest. That will be a second opportunity for the people who have been holding, who have missed the shots. All right. For us, we trace it from the top, but those who have, it should be going a little bit up and getting down. That can be. Let's see with what to say, the the New York sessions opens, right? It's opening, right? Yep, opened. Let's see. Small pullback should be expected before it moves down all the way. So that can be opportunity for those who have missed on from the first move. So especially till this level, $81,270 first expectation. Till next Wednesday, I will be expecting price to go down only, but it will play around, all right? So previous Wednesday, it was on long side. Like all the way down. It should be going down, I don't know. It should be. Bitcoin is to what I've told you, right? From where it is coming, I also don't know, but Bitcoin needs to test this level once more. It's 75,677 in the coming times. All right. I'll be making a short video for that one. Those who have not joined the group, keep joining the group, okay? There is a link in the description box. You'll get lots of information over there. All right. I'll make good video for that one and for the education purpose only. Don't take it as financial advice, okay? For the education purpose only. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, alright guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, alright? And those who are interested to join my Telegram free group, you can join it, alright? There is a link in the description box, alright? Luckily, yeah! Making dollars and laughing a lot, huh? Luckily today. Alright. Always keep booking profits. This is 41. Alright. Good dollars. Today's sound on the broadcast is a bit echoey. Oh, is it? I don't know. All right. Just manage it, okay, guys. Just manage it. Always, brother. Okay, good, good. Dragon Fortress. Keep grinding it. Keep grinding it. Keep stealing from the market. You be a better rat, right? Better rat. Keep stealing from the market. Small scalping will be there for the long zone on the upper side. Small scalping can be done. Risky scalping. So rather than going opposite to the direction, you wait for the price to come down. That will be a beautiful one, right, guys? Can go from firstly, this will be done, all right? From here, risky scalping. This is risky. 0.2% is there. And from here, going like this, it will break out. It's very risky, but if it gets good back from here, good liquidation downside again, that is tracing around $71,594. All right. Pullbacks, pullbacks. I'm not able to open my wallet. New York sessions opening. All right. Let's wait for the New York sessions. All right, guys. Let's wait. Let's wait. Those who have missed opportunity, you'll get it. Okay, you'll get it. Don't run into FOMO and don't try to short from the bottom. You'll get it. This time, if it happens to come below this one, without retest, it's going to go down directly. Okay, if the price happens to come into this zone, there won't be any retest or something like this. It goes directly boom down because these have already broken down several times. Okay, just on the third move, it went up for the liquidation. If it comes below this one, it's going to give you a big down moves. Boom. All right, guys. If the Bitcoin happens to reach $81,216. Okay, no retest, nothing directly going down. Okay, it have already broken down several times on retest. It have went up. So this time it just comes on the zone. That's going to be a very big boom. All right. Before that, it will play around in the zone for a while. All right. Play around. Try to remove the shorts. Try to remove the longs. Right. You can expect in the zone. One long scalping can be traced from here, guys. Okay, one long scalping. Quick one, guys. Not very, it shouldn't be very long one. Quick one. Quick scalping can be traced. Very risky, but you can keep your stop loss over here and try to press this one. Firstly, this one, maybe this one till over here. All right. One quick scalping can be traced with a small stop loss. Don't take it risks much. All right, guys. Nothing financial advice, guys. Don't take it as a financial advice. All right. Small move, 0.4 percentage is there. All right. Risky trade. Opening New York session opening. Wow. Small scalping. I'm not doing it, okay, because like I've right now I'm holding from the top, so I'm avoiding small scalpings right now. Okay. Breaching the scalping. 0.2 versus 0.1 is to 2. Price coming 74 to 82, but you also think sell reason. Arjit Singh. Price coming 74 to 82K. 82K you'll just see right now only. after some hours. 72K is also coming in. For me also, same over here. I was looking aggressively for that. I'm looking aggressively for that one. If it breaks this one, directly it will dump downside. Once it gets breakout from the downside, then it will be a continuously waterfall towards downside, I guess. Nothing financial advice. If the market happens to come to 81K, it will directly. If it just hits once, it will just go on a downside. It will just break on a downside very quickly. No retest, nothing. Very quickly, boom down. Then next thing is over here. Let's see anyways. One, two, 1, 2 done. All right, it's fine. Just tracing for the swing traders very top. All right, swing traders only very top. All right. It should be going a little bit on a pullback, so this is small scalping for the long ones, but manage your own risks. Take your own risks, nothing financial advisor. Just expecting a small pullback in this zone before it moves down. Sometimes that can be a very drop all the way towards downside as well. Manage your own risks according to funds you are investing in, right, guys? Hmm, not giving any pullbacks. Boom, down. It looks like it makes a shift of cup. In this zone, in this zone, it's just breaching it, giving no opportunity for the longs. Actually, it should go for a little bit pullback in this zone and drop all the way down. Risky one scalping is breaching it right now. Breached, no breakout on the downside. One opportunity can be found once it gets pulled back on upper side for the shots. Breached, SL small, TP with small SL gone for this one. Okay. So better for you all those who are waiting for the opportunity, wait for the price to move up. Okay. Rather than going against the market. All right, for now. It is breached. Market is not providing any long opportunities, guys. Small pullback. So 78,000. My TP2 hit it from the top right, guys. This is whereby. Wait for the pullback on upper side, then plan for the short, guys. Nothing financial advice, okay, guys? Just manage your own risks. Wait for the pullback and plan on downside. That will be a beautiful one, I guess. Boom. Pivot 82, Harjit. 80,480 pivot, 82,720 resistance. Not giving a pullback today. The market is not giving opportunity for the longs right now. The move over here was so dirty over here. See, market. It was just giving a hope for the short and just planning, and boom, trying to remove liquidations. Right. So dirty, not a solid candles over here in a 1 minute time frame. Very dirty, right, guys? That was very dirty, in fact. That's quite a lot of news today, and the market promises to active US trade balance. S&P service. Market promises to active US trade balance. Maybe there will be up and down. But solid for me, I just hold with the stop loss. If stop loss is gone, right? I just hold with my stop losses. Gone means gone. If it gives a downside, good profit. Okay, well and good. 0.9. 81,765. Tamirine. Salah. Lah. Lah. This can be very top for the sailors, guys. Rock bottom top. If you are nothing financial advice, but if you are planning for the swing trades, that can be very top for you all, maybe, right? But accordingly, you need to manage your risks and your stop losses also for the swing traders. 1 month TR. Let's clear 1 week's one. So it's not providing any opportunities for the long right now. Over here also, all shorts opportunities have been created on the downside move. All shorts, nothing long. Long were just random. Random breakout, randomly it was pushing an upper side. One opportunity can be there from this level or this level, right? Swing trade. There can be a good swing trade for the shots, but accordingly you have to manage your leverage, no leverage, okay? Less leverage, 1x, 2x. For that one, I think it's very good one. This can be a very big top, but nothing financial advice. I just manage your risks, guys. All right. This can be a very big top if you're planning for 72K or 73K on the downside. So at least you receive around this point is for sure 75,988. The Bitcoin is to test it. Let's see anyways what the Bitcoin plans, right? If there is news and disturbing here and there, then you might like to receive next resistance towards this zone. Let's check my algo, guys. For the gold, if it happens to come for a third time in this level, there will be a big quick scalping on the downside in this level. One, two, three times. Just shot it over here with the stop loss on the zone. Boom down. I just want to check on algo and sand what's going on because algo I have given a setup on the my VIP as well as for the people who were in my group long time back. That's not bad at all. I've been holding algo from this level, guys. This level was given on my VIP and not VIP, general group on the Telegram. 52 percentage till now. And again, I try to give the people from this level till now pumped only 17%. Okay, that's cool. So most probably I'll go firstly like to test this one till this level. Forming inverted head and shoulder pattern over here. I'll go. Big one. But it needs to break above these levels. 0.13, then coming on upper side. I'll go as well. Sand, let's check on sand. Sand haven't moved much, right, guys? Sand last time this was the setup that I have given in our daily time frame. Only 8% moved on the long side, sand. Actually, I was planning all the rock bottoms for the people, okay, those who are interested for swing trade as well, they will get a very good moves, all right. Superb, guys, it's not giving any chance for the buyers, come on. Buyers not getting chance, right, guys. Let me keep sending in the group, all right. Making dollars, 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 dollars. Day two. Nice, lovely, guys, lovely, lovely. Getting no opportunity for the sailors, giving no opportunity for the sailors, guys. The super downside. Nice, Aljit. Is it on? Is it stone? No, not a tone. That was algo and sand. Sand has a very good potential to move on upper side. Rest coin have backed up, but sand can give in the coming days. You might like to expect. If you are long holders, might be that one might be a good one because it have been aggressively accumulating in these levels. Soon. Nothing financial advice, guys. Don't make your move with thinking that this is a financial advice. But soon, sand is also going to give you all the bash on upper side. Okay, it is on the upper side only. All right, sand and algo. Algo, I have given you all long time back on my group. Okay, algo, I told everyone I'm buying algo, I'm buying algo, I'm buying algo. Right. And from this level, right now, sand is in this level right now. Still too early. We are too early, right? Algo little but pumped now. But I have given people from this level, come on, 59 percentage. If people have taken it seriously, well and good. But if people have not taken it seriously, I don't know. Nothing financial advice. I cannot say buy or something like that also, right, guys? Maybe last pullback can be there for BT. for the sellers. There should be a pullback at least. If you don't get pullback, I'm sorry. If you get pullback, well and good. Aggressively, BT is planning on downside. 1.2 percentage done. Not getting any opportunities for the BT and not getting any pullback. From the morning only, I was planning this shot from here, okay? I was waiting for this one. Meanwhile, waiting, I just planned long from here and went till this level to catch this move. Because last time I missed one move from this level, which was this one, right? From the here, I just missed. If you get pull back something like this, you might like to take, guys. Okay, nothing financial advice, but over here, boom down, right? Right over here as well. If it happens to give a small pullback on upper side, but manage your risks accordingly. Right now, not getting any pullbacks. GUSDT, Harjit, you want to check me on a GUSDT? Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. There is no long position for now, so I'm not giving you all. Okay, there was one hope from upper side, but which was breached, right? Which was the market didn't give any long position right now. Okay, so if just wait for the short opportunity from a little bit upper side, if it gives a pullback, market is selling it right now. If you get a pullback, that might be one good move. GUSDT, GUSDT. Wow, but that have done lots of pump and dump, Arjit. Lots of pump and dump. But which means people are the big whales are pushing it and selling it, pushing it and selling it. Oh, not good, huh? The candle formations are not good, Harjit. GUSDT. Let's go back to the gold, okay, guys. Okay, lovely. Gold is moving slowly right now, giving a structure for you all. Gold after this retest, either there will be a very good long from here or just come down. If it happens to come down on this level, you can directly short it and come down to this level. All right. But if it happens to break above this level, that will be a long position. All right. Long position till this level, guys. $4,733. A small stop loss. Okay. But after the third move only you can plan. First move, second move, third move will be the distant one. Okay. Second one, if it miss. Nice move. BT not pulling back, a little bit pullback is happening on BT. Sellers not giving opportunities for the BT to sell it right now. Pullback will be there for you guys. Okay, guys, just wait for that one. If you have missed the shot, all right, there will be a pullback for you all. Yes, pulling it back, guys. Pullback will be there. A little bit more. Buyers need to give a little bit the upper side. Shoot. 'If it happens to touch this one, just touching will just blow away this downside analyze. This is so risky. Market shouldn't, Bitcoin shouldn't touch this one at all. Just touching this one will be very risky for the Bitcoin. Quick scalping can be traced over here. 0.7 percentage after it breaks out. Boom. If you get from the top, well and good. So usually on my VIP group, what I do is, if there is a target towards the downside, I try to give them from the top so they can hold it, hold it, hold it, and later on when it breaks out, it will just give them the downside moves. All right. Or else at least they can get from the upper level. All right. If it gives pullback, then well and good for the shots. You'll get it, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry at all. Near 8 Harjit 82.0 gold. What is in Christian Gillibrand says 30% of Americans were unbanked 10 years ago, and the crypto gives people access to financial system without needing a bank account, which is a good news, which means pullback is coming. So guys, if it happens to go up over there, plan for the shots once it breaks out on the downside, guys. Okay, this level or this level will be given for the shots. All right. If it happens to pass above this level, then again the bulls will control it. All right. Till over here. But remember one thing: if you happens to touch this one, if Bitcoin happens to touch this one just once only, then it might like to break down very quick, huh, guys. Just be careful. Let's see, guys. Okay, let's see together what will happen. Never giving a pullback as well. Falling down, falling down. It's coming. The cup is coming. Cup is coming. Quickly, we check on patterns. I have been waiting for this position from so long, guys. 3 to 4 days, I was waiting for just this position only. Just wait, guys. You see, there is big things happening. Big thing happening. Not giving opportunity what to do, guys, for the shots. Hi, Zivat, how are you? 64K may not be, but 70 to 73K can be expected. But let's see this 1 week what will happen. Till next Wednesday, how far it can go. All right. If you guys get a pullback, then you might like to get a shots from the top, right? Let's see. Splash off. Okay, I'll come up sometime. Just need to watch one level over here. It's break out from below this one or not. So that, so if it gives a breakout from this level, it is confident to hold on the downside. Then it is coming down again. Play around later on and it will come out. Let's see if it breaks out this one level or not. This level is so important, guys. This sideways level. This sideways level is important. Okay, coming down continuously falling down. This is 5 minutes candle. Check 1 hour candle. Ooh, damn, bro, this is crazy. This is the level I was waiting for 2 to 3 days, guys, just to get this move. Today I caught it from the top, so I'm so happy for this one. All right, guys, nothing financial advice, but I have been looking for this move from this all those levels only. Just wanted to this come back those levels. All right. coming back. Hey, hey, looky. Yeah, I have been waiting for this one. Yes, this move just want to move this big candles. I wanted to get get this big candles. All right, check back how the big the candles are. See over here, big candles. This one I just wanted to trade this candle. I was waiting so long. Sometimes it gave me small candles, sometimes very small candles. I was waiting for this candle to move in. You can see right in the live also I was aggressively looking for this move on. But sometimes I was planning long as well while getting going for the liquidation. This last liquidation move was confirmed for me. Lovely guys. This level is so dangerous. I don't want to see guys. This level. Touch it. Right now I'm on 1.71 percentage. All right. This level is so dangerous, guys. My VIP people are lazy today. Bringing a chit corner. Hey, no, come on. No, come on. No, no, no. Really, no, 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 no. Speedy, beady, beady, beady. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go. And another news says the key issue is clarity. Right? There are lots of news today. Oh no, Diddy, no. So dangerous, guys. This can be a dangerous back. Let's see. Crazy, yeah, guys, crazy. He want he was he was 81,240, 1,200, oh, 145. Free them for them. It couldn't, it couldn't. Why is it so very fast? Oh, it couldn't close below. Christian Gillibrand says three key issues in Clarity Act negotiations are expected to be resolved before markup. Consumer protections, illicit financing, terrorism financing safeguards, ethical provisions for government officials. It can get done by August if you are lucky. What does it mean? And close below right now. All right, one pullback. This short position I have already given in my group, guys, Telegram group. If you check it clearly, I have sent one chart for you all. That only you can identify this short position. I don't know you missed it or not. So around 82,600, $82,261. I have given this already. You have checked carefully. You check this. Let's see how this moves. Should be very quick. Touch it, close it. Oh, yeah. Mm. I was busy, bro. Couldn't touch once more. बोलिए आप शायद कि मेरो खाली कातपुले छोडेको छोडे गरे हेरेन त्यसो भन्नु लाइभ हो हैन लाइभमा just couldn't close below, right? Loading. No retest support, no retest is giving. No pullbacks are given right now. This level is so crucial, it just touch it, but it couldn't close it. I'm expecting very big drop below this one. Maybe small pullback can be given for you all. Okay, small pullback. Pullback can be this level. So many gap left on upper side right now. Also. So many gap. Eight, 94,000. Draven lovely. If you're gonna have bull, we can't fall under 81. 81? No, it can fall. Support. It can fall. It can fall because the retest is left. But it shouldn't. It can fall till 76 as well. Till there also you are good for the bulls. Because it have broken out on upper side. This wasn't a proper retest, just got a rejection. Might like to retest this level. And passing above this level, it is still bull. Alright. Right now, this is not a bull. This is just retest and liquidations happening on upper side. That's all. Broke down, couldn't come down. Okay. On the retest, it keep price moving on upper side, which was a breakout, which just people are confused whether this is a breakout on upper side or people are just taking in a retest zone. For me, I'm taking as a retest and liquidations on upper side. For bulls, for bulls. It shouldn't be going down from 68, around 68, okay, for bulls. Till over here also it's fine. Coming back, keep getting over here, 68 or till over here is fine. Till over here or this one. Yeah, 70, around 70 range it can play. But if it happens to pass below this one, then, and if the retest gets passed on the downside, it's going to quickly swap it all the way towards downside. Boom, down. The bigger time frame. 70 to 71,000 is fine till over here. Okay, because it had to form a W pattern from here rather than it directly went up. Playing around a bit. Maybe this level will be tested once more. Okay. Before it drops all the way towards downside. If you check on the retest, guys, on the 15 minutes time frame, retest phase, it have broken down from the retest now, guys, which is making a bear right now, broken down from this level. Okay, so on this move, all right, so when there was no, something like this, right? Something like this, and it broke out from the retest it have. It already broke out from this level. This trend was already broken out from this level. Okay, so right now it is going for the retest. Maybe the retest can be till over here or till maximum over here. All right, so this is what we can expect. All right. But if the price happens to, one thing guys, if the price happens to go up rather than getting a rejection from here, if it happens to remain close in this trend, then again it will give you all the another trend from here. This is also possible. Okay guys, make sure the Bitcoin is not going up and closing above inside this. All right, one gap is left in this trend whereby it should be going over here and dropping all the way towards us like this in this trend. All right, but it have directly fallen down right now. Something is happening over there. Okay, so going back and getting inside this trend can be a little bit risky. All right. That can convert towards the bulls as well. So previously we have one trend over here. Trend was broken out, retest till this level from last Wednesday, 6th May, right? Last, is it not 6th May? This was today, I guess. It was broken down from this level. So we are in the bigger trend of, if you check from this level, all the bigger trend. So for now, coming to this level will be obvious ones. 80,391 will be the obvious one. All right, obvious one. So why I'm saying if it breaks out from this level, it is coming to this one is we are in the average support, let's say, in the trend right now. Okay, if it breaks out, we are coming to 80,000. If it breaks out that one, boom, down. Right, the biggest trend that we have, longest trend we have in this range from last Wednesday, 29th April till Today, Wednesday, 26th May, 6th May, Wednesday. Okay, so this is 1 week's move. 1 week it have moved like this. All right, guys. This move, or there is one gap left from here. This too can be expected. Let's see, guys. Anyways, all right, let it flow. I'm holding short with the stop loss. My entry is $82,579. All right, I'm holding tight with booking some profit in the zone. Lovely. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys. So this is almost 2 hours over here talking like, okay, if it gives pullback, this level or this level can be one good position again for the people to short it. Okay, this level or this level. In fact, I was planning from here only. These are the levels, right, guys, whereby you can expect pullback towards the pullback till that level and plan on the downside. Okay, so first level was this one. I think it have gone above that one. This level, firstly I marked this one, right? 1, 2, 3. These are the three levels whereby you can expect price to come down. This can be from this level also, this level also, this level. Three levels you have. Let me delete this one now. Okay, this trend, so you see it clearly. Those who have missed, all right, those who have missed the short position. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Okay, just make, if those who have no position, you can expect if there is a breakout towards the downside. Okay, so maybe it will go up and give a small breakout towards the downside. That time you can plan for the shorts in this level or this levels. Okay, I hope so. This is not giving you any pushback. All right. So that can be one short opportunity for you all. But if the Bitcoin happens to aggressively plan go above this level, then again it will enter for the bull side. Okay, and if my SL gets heated, then it will plan for the long side. The bulls will get in after that one, which means that the retest is getting failed. All right, we are getting faked out from this level, which was breakout towards the downside, which means that one. All right, just be careful, guys. Okay. Beautiful long and short. Yeah, so that can be expected. All right, guys. For the scalpers, very good. Okay, small TPs. You get lots of TPs. All right. Scalpers, very good. But I'm taking only big trades right now. All right. See if it breaks down again. Careful. It can get back rebounds from this level or this level, this level. Three levels you have, whichever level it is. I also don't know which levels it will get rebounds, maybe from this level or this level. All right. So most probably shorting from the top will be a better one because you are nearing towards the resistance zone, right? So that's all, guys. Have a good time. I will update you all on the group. Okay, those who have not joined the group, you join the group. All right, I'll keep updating you all on the group. Okay, if I see anything over there. So those who are interested to join my VIP group, you can join over there as well. All right. So I am not planning long right now. Okay, if it check this level and this level for the shorts, guys. All right. Hi, Daoud. Okay, getting a rejection from this level once more. Okay, guys, have a good time. Take care, guys. Don't those who have missed the short position, don't get FOMO and try to enter at the bottom. Okay, so just be careful. Don't overtrade if you are making profits. Well and good. If you are making losses, close the trade. Sleep. You'll get again. Tomorrow the price might be going even more higher, and you might like to trace from the top as well. Okay, you'll get lots of opportunity. Don't get into FOMO, guys. All right. Okay, have a good time. Bye bye. I have another program again. I'm going for that one right now. Okay, at least 2 hours, 3 hours. I try to stay over here, try to understand the market with you all. Even if you don't get the setup, don't worry. All right. अपना टाइम आएगा घंटा लेके जाएगा यार हाँ okay guys have a good time don't run into FOMO those who are making profit keep booking some profits why what's there right guys okay until and unless if you are swing trader then well and good right if you are scalpers you must be taking profits here and there all right